In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Booking.com Extranet account. Whether you're new to Booking.com or just in need of a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you access your account easily. We'll walk through the process together, making sure there is no stress and definitely no confusion along the way. To kick things off, you'll first need to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other one you regularly choose. Once you have that open, locate the address bar positioned right at the top of your browser window. In this bar, you'll want to type admin.booking.com. It's important to make sure you enter this address correctly. Even the slightest typo could lead you astray to an incorrect page, so take a moment to double check before hitting enter. Now, as you land on the Extranet login page, you'll notice two essential fields laid out for you, one for your username and another for your password. Typically, your username could be your registered email address or a unique username you received upon signing up as a Booking.com partner. The next step involves carefully typing in your username. Precision is key here, particularly if your username includes numbers, capital letters, or special symbols. Once your username is correctly entered, move on to the password field. Again, accuracy counts. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, which means you'll need to pay attention to any uppercase or lowercase letters used in your password. If recalling these complex combinations becomes a challenge, consider using a password manager. It's a great way to ensure your information remains secure and that you never lose track. Once you've entered your username and password, the next thing to do is click on the Login or Sign In button. You'll typically find this position just below the fields where you entered your login details. If everything is in order, you'll smoothly transition into your Booking.com partner dashboard. However, if you find yourself stuck due to login issues, don't stress. This happens to everyone at some point. All you need to do is click on the Forgot Password link conveniently located near the login button. Then just follow the prompts laid out for you, and you'll be resetting your password in no time. And there you have it. You're now logged into your Booking.com Extranet account. From this dashboard, you have the power to manage listings, view bookings, update property details, and so much more, all from a single user-friendly hub. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial made your login process a breeze. If it helped, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future Booking.com tutorials and tips.